Hey guys, welcome to Calistoga. I am at the Roman Hot Springs Resort and it's actually the bomb. So this was a birthday getaway for my husband and I wanted to do something relaxing, calming, because you guys know we just had a baby and you know this is something just to get away and relax. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this trip. This is actually our last day, so let me rewind it to day one. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm currently in the process of getting ready. I'm about to just do a little bit of makeup. All right, we're headed out to Napa for my husband's birthday. Here is the main man right here. You ready?
We're rushing.
Ready? And my little guy right here. You gonna be away from mommy and daddy for 3 days? Huh? You gonna miss us? Huh? Aww. Okay. This is our room, guys. Got a fireplace right there. It's pretty sick, right?
Room was hella grand.
Well, look at the shower heads. It's pretty cool. This is our little jacuzzi tub right here. And then our fireplace comes in here. This bathroom is like so grand. Look at that. Can you guys hear my voice echo? The water that comes out of that faucet is from the hot springs, so it's mineral water and it's really great for your skin. All right, did my makeup. Makeup is done. I've turned on the pool. Ooh, it kind of smells. Apparently, mineral water stinks. Damn, it's getting hot in there.
This looks good, dude. Whoa. We're gonna fill this up because it's 140 degrees. Touch it.
Is it hot?
I didn't touch it really.
Ah!
Not just kidding.
Oh shit. We just got to our hotel room and it smells like a shit. Ooh, it's so warm in here. Cannot wait to get in. I got these eye masks for us to try on while we go in the jacuzzi and just chill. The one that Faisal is putting on right now is the coconut eyes. It's called the Plumper. I'm actually about to take off my makeup right now so I can get in and just get squeaky clean. So I'll see you guys soon. Oh, it's hella hot. Oh my god, did I get burned? Dude, your eye patch is coming off. Your eye patch is coming off.
No, let me.
No, you look cute. Look, guys. Complimentary spring water. Bottled at the source. Tuscany, Italy. Whoa. Alright guys, I just finished blow drying my hair, getting dressed for bed. I'm just gonna go over quickly what I packed. I got all my makeup and hair products in here. This is my hair pick, this is my husband's razor. I got my toothbrush, my Duval face cleaning brush, my eyelash extension cleaner stuff, face cream, night serum. I decided to bring my colored contacts. I don't know if I'm gonna wear it, but just in case I do, I just brought that. Some deo and sunblock, makeup brushes, face wash, some jewelry. Then of course, this is my husband's stuff. Perfume, sunblock, and deo. And then those are the little eye patches that we wore, but that's basically it. I'm ready for bed. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning on our hot air balloon ride. I'm really excited. Morning. It is so early. You ready to go on a hot air balloon?
Yeah.
Is it hella early for you? Is it hella early for you or what?
Pretty early.
It's hella early. Oh my god, it's exciting! I'm getting hella nervous right now. I'm getting so nervous. so freaking beautiful up there. Oh my god, so peaceful. And let me tell you, you're up there and there's no safety, nothing. Like no seat belts, no steering wheel, no parachute, no nothing. So if something goes wrong, that's it. I can't believe
we should have thought about that before.
No, that is what I was thinking about right when we got on. I was like, holy crap. Grapes growing everywhere. Dude, look, there's berries right here. Blackberries and raspberries. Good morning.
Good morning.
We are running late to our cooking class appointment that I booked at 9 o'clock. It's 9:22, dude. What the heck? Oh my god. Those are some fresh onions. He cut himself. Are you okay? No? Okay guys, so this is the black-eyed bean curry. This one is the palak paneer, and then this is ours, the tofu tikka masala, and then there's just some jasmine rice. Dude, we killed it on the sauce. Dude, I forgot to tell you guys that I thought we were late, but we were super freaking early. The class didn't start until 10 a.m. Alright, I just did an Instagram live on how to do this very simple look. Alright guys, here's my makeup in natural light. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I got my not my blue contacts, my purple contacts in. I've had these for about a year now and they seem to be really good. Hopefully the wind does not blow my camera down the second floor, so let's just hope. Alright, that is my outfit. I love this blue color. I love this top. I got it from Fashion Nova a while ago. You guys, how cute is this freaking store? Look at it. It's so adorable. brand is this pool of water? Look at all these grapes. Dude, this is so crazy. I'm in a field of grapes. I think I'm on private property right now. Grapes on grapes on grapes. Welcome to Napa. Welcome. All right, guys, I'm gonna pick some grapes and take it. How the hell do I pick it? Ow, what No, it was not. It was not funny, dude. Damn, what kind of freaking grapes were those? Getaway! You guys, this hotel is actually so beautiful. Let me show you guys the little barbecue area they have. Peekaboo! How cute are all these like trees and stuff? It's very like wine country-ish. So I actually really love this hotel, even though in the beginning when I first came in this hotel, I thought it was a little like outdated and stuff, and I was kind of skeptical about the room I booked. I was like, oh my god, I hope it is a really nice room, and it actually is a really good room. Like, the bathroom is everything, and I wanted a room with a jacuzzi with the mineral water, and it was perfect. They got this couch. I'm just